We all know that wood and water do not mix, but what happens to an engineered hardwood floor when excessive moisture is left on it for too long? That's what we are going to find out today. First, we put a bead of caulking around the sample so we can trap the moisture on top of the floor. We then replicate a major spill of a glass, no, let's call it a bottle of red wine. We let the wine sit for about 8 hours without touching it. Will the wine stain the wood? Will it make the plank cup from the excessive moisture? Or will the structure of the plank just simply fall apart? Let's wipe it up to find out. We dab up excessive moisture with a towel and then lightly apply our crystal clean cleaner to wipe off any residue that may have dried out. Amazingly, the wine did not stain the floor. However, the planks did cup, as you can see from this side angle. So in conclusion, we were very impressed with the finish on the plank as it shielded the planks from the red wine for about 8 hours. Do not expect this with all engineered hardwood flooring, as this performed exceptionally well in our opinion. The cupping was drastic at first, but after about 2 weeks the plank did flatten out, enough so we still keep it in the showroom and show it today. Learn more at azwood.com.